We're ready to go and use the slab roller today. We're going to make a big slab, so we need a lot of clay. Notice the clay is too thick to go through the slab roller, and I have two pieces, so I got to stretch both of those pieces out. I'm slamming them at an angle, and I'm stretching them in a long direction, getting them down to about an inch thickness. I'm going to then later join these two so they make a very wide slab, not one small narrow slab. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the slab roller. So when you're using the slab roller, you've got this big canvas. The canvas is one long sheet, so you need to fold it in half. Make sure its edges are all nice and even. They line up. Then you want to take the opposite, the open flaps, this open part right here, and you're going to shimmy it through the slab roller all the way through. I've made sure that the roller's got enough space in between here so it's easy to get through. Shimmy, 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 all the way up to the fold. So you get all the way to the fold. Okay, so the fold is here, okay? And the opening part is right here. So I can open up one layer and have one layer on the bottom. My clay is gonna get set right over here. Now I'm gonna bring you closer. So here we are on the other side of the slab roller. I'm going to again close this up, okay? And you can see that there's these rollers right here. And over here, there is a little twisty that controls the height of the rollers. You can see the arrow, and you'll notice how thick your slab's gonna be. There's a little black dot I put here. That's a typical good size for a slab. So I'm gonna twist this roller, twisting this black knob until I get to the black dot. And in order to get the right height on my slab, I need to get right down here at eye level so I can tell, is that arrow lined up with Mr. Black Dot? I'm going to adjust it by using this little knob on top, and that brings the rollers up and down, okay, until I get it to the height, exact height. Again, if you're looking at it from up here, you can't tell if it's the arrow's on the right spot. So make sure you stoop down and get really close, and you can tell how thick it is. A 1/2 inch slab is really thick, so we're just doing a little bit less than a 1/2 inch, and it's ready to go. Now I open up the canvas and I'm ready to add my clay. Notice that I lay the slabs out so the width is correct. I have it nice and wide because it's just going to stretch it. If I just put one through, it would be super long. So I want to make sure it's in the wide direction, and so I'm setting up both the slabs to create the wide width. I'm going to grab a fork and some water, and notice I need to join these two pieces. I'm going to score them a bit, and I'm also going to add some water, and then I'm going to press them together so that they marry up really good. I push on the clay, I rescore the clay. Sometimes I'll grab a rib and actually move the clay together. I don't want things to fall apart at the seams, get it? So I make sure that they're joined really well, cover it up, and I'm ready to feed it through the machine. Pulling the wagon wheel towards myself and watching my fingers, don't want to get your fingers in there, I will send the slab through. Okay, gonna see what it looks like. I have to pull the top layer all the way through, and look at this huge slab I got from that. Looks pretty strong in the middle. I can see I have a couple where I did the scoring. I'm gonna have to deal with some air bubbles, but that's a slab. I might want to show you how to pick it up. Just generally when I pick these up, I'm going to grab it like a baby. I grab a big wide hand, big, and I pick it up like this. Another big wide hand, pick it up like this, okay? So, surface area.